Progress. So today's date is the 15th, and we're doing double discount. Double discount. Because what is better than one discount? Two discounts. So, this is when you go to the store, and they're like, oh, everything is 20% off. But if you have a coupon, then you get an additional 30% off. So you're like, cool. Have you ever been to the store and your parents are paying, and then they'll say like, oh, if you open up a credit card, you save more money? So some stores, if you open their credit card, they'll give you an additional discount because you opened your credit card. Some of it, oh, if you sign up for a rewards program, we'll give you an additional discount. So it's pretty cool. And I thought, okay, what's missing in this classroom? And I'm like, oh, I know what's missing. A sofa. Wouldn't it be so cool? Next to the fireplace would be our sofa.
And with a TV.
With a big TV, 85-inch. I mean, let's do it. Let's do it. Our sofa cost, now it's a very nice sofa. It's one of those like it's an L-shaped sofa, you know?
It has the adjustable seats.
Adjustable, electric adjustable seats that yes. So someone has little neck pain.
In the back.
Yes. After a long day. All right, sofa cost $1,200 because it is furniture. It is quite expensive, but it is on sale for 20% off plus an additional 30% off. Let's get two. Okay, so double discount. Sofa costs $1,200, is on sale for 20% off plus an additional 30% off.
That's nice.
Are we gonna add the discount?
Okay, what do you think we're gonna do?
No,
Do the smallest one first.
Okay, the number one thing you can't do. The number one thing you can't do is add the 2%. Okay? Wish it was that easy, but it's not. Hypothetically, what if I add the 2%? What would it be? 50%. What's 50% of 1,200?
600.
Okay, so for those of you who get that, I'm going to show you how it's not 600 and how the store always wins. So, unfortunately, no, you cannot add the 2%. It's not that easy. I'm sorry. Which one do I do first?
The smaller one.
No. The one that came first. Okay? It is the smallest one in this problem, but maybe not in the next one. So when they do discounts, it's the one that came first. Okay? So we're going to take the 20% off first. So we're going to do it like we've been doing it since Monday. What's our first step?
Multiply.
Yes, but before we multiply.
Oh, yeah, make it decimal.
Yes, what is 20% written as a decimal? 0.2. So our really first step is take your price of $1,200 and multiply it by your percent. Multiply it by your percent, which is 0.2. All right, type it in or just do it on paper. Good. $240. What does this number represent?
How much you save?
How much you save. So, Cruz, we're going to write how much you save next to this answer so we know that their first answer is always how much you save. Okay, what's our second step? Subtract what?
1,200
And 240.
960.
Good. So we take our price and we subtract whatever you got. So whatever you get here, you're just going to use up there. You type it into the calculator and you get 960. Now we would be done. On Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we would be done here. But today's Thursday, and we have a double discount. So this would be just with 20%. But we have an additional 30%. So now what do you think we're going to do?
960 with 30% off.
Yes. We use 960 and we take off 30%. So we no longer use 1200. We are now going to use 960. Focus, focus, focus. So step number 3. Take 960 and multiply it by 0.3 because 30% is equal to 0.3. 960 times 0.3. 288? Now, Cruz, this is again 288. Yep. This is also how much I save. Every time we do like the multiplication, that's how much you save. That's how much you save. All right, what's my last 4th step? What do I subtract? 672. This is what I like to call my new price with a double discount. $672. What did we say 50% was going to be? 600. But do you see how when the store does not add your 2%, they actually end up charging you more, right? And the store always wants to end up charging you every little penny more. So as a customer, you feel like you're getting 50% because you see 20 and 30 and you're like, oh, I'm going to save 50%. Yes, half off. But when they do the math, it's actually a little bit less than 50%. You're not saving 50%. Yeah, something like that. So it's interesting, but you know, that's what you do. You can kind of say like, yeah, it's about 50%. It's about 600. But when they do the math, it's more. Yeah, so this happens. I mean, you guys go to the stores today and you'll see all these discounts all around. This is the perfect time to teach this. All right. Well, I get really cold. So I thought, what would help me with all my coldness? A heated
Oh my god.
blanket.
Why do you make it so extra? Like, why can't you just kind of...
Sorry for being extra.
Set of heated blanket.
Yeah, I thought I would buy my favorite class some heated blankets.
600. Oh.
It's a class set. We give every one of my favorite students a heated blanket. Does anybody have a heated blanket?
No, that's too rich.
Yes. Yeah.
I don't. I've seen them and I'm like, do they even like? Are they cool?
It feels nice. My cousin has one. I see it from her all the time.
Maybe Santa will bring me a heated blanket for Christmas. Because you know Santa probably watches my YouTube channel. No? All right, class set of heated blankets is $600. There you go. It is on sale for 25% off plus 40% off. So class set of blankets. Where is it? This is let me pause this. All right. So, what is my first step?
Multiply.
Multiply. What do I multiply?
0.25 times 600.
600 times. If you're doing that, then we can't use a calculator because you're doing not things you're not supposed to on your iPad. 0.25. All right. So 600 times 0.25. Type it in. Please type them into your iPad. Like you need to go through the process of doing this and seeing if you get the same answer I do, or your phone. But
You can use your phone to do the calculator?
as long as it's flat and I can see what you're doing. You have something to hide, then use your iPad. Okay, what's 600 times 0.25? 150. What's my second step? 600 minus 125, or 150. Go through the process of, Jay, do you have an iPad? Using a calculator? Use a calculator, kids. If you're just sitting there copying me, it's not okay. You have to go through the process of typing in on your phone, on your iPad.
Just do the math.
Yeah, you can always do just the math. Simple. Just do it straightforward. Sometimes this is faster than typing it in for some of us, for sure. $4.50. Am I done? No. Now, step 3. What number do I put on top? 450. Please do not make the mistake of writing 600. It is 450. Now it's 40% off. 0.4. Very good, Daniela. Times 0.4.
60.
Type it in, type it in, type it in. Good. Do the 4th step without me.
I didn't even write anything down.
Okay, what's 450 times 0.4? 180. And then number 4, 450 minus 180. So our final answer, 270. New price. Yeah, this is 100% more than 50% off, right? Because what's half of 600? What's half? 300. Right now I'm paying 270, so I'm saving more than 50%. Saving more than 50% on this problem. All right, gonna hand out the classwork, which looks like this. At the end of the period, you will upload a picture of this into Canvas. Multiply. Yes. Oh, yes. So what do I first write down for number 1 on my first step? 700 times 0.2. The reason we do 0.2 is 20% is equal to 0.2. All right. What's my second step?